Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. Ali Gatie, not a newcomer here on Go On Guitar. Very nice to have him back here with a song called Mine. Very like Ali Gatie-ish song with the same strumming, same chord progression through the entire song. We love that. We also have a capo set here on 3rd frets to have the easiest scenario for us. So let's go through the 3 different chords here for the song. So we're gonna start with the bar chord, F. You bar all strings there on the 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have next the C-G chord. That is basically a C chord, but with a G note in the bass. Gives a little bit darker version of the C, and that is 3rd E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we are ready for the song. We're gonna learn the string pattern, and the chord progression can just mention that it will be F, C, G, F, and A minor. It goes like that. So we're gonna play the string pattern, and it goes like this for F. Okay, so we can divide it into different parts here just to handle it a little better. So we have first down, short pause, and then down, down, up. You can start there. So down, 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 up. And then comes up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, 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 up. Up, down, down, up, down, up. That is one round. We're gonna play one of these per chord in the order I just mentioned. F, C, G, F, A minor, like this. And a new round. And so on. So that is how you play Ali Gatie's Mine. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. That's my mission. I want to enjoy all you guys to learn and yeah, push you forward with your guitar playing. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.